Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel. This video is on the topic Inai Ezhuthukal in Tamil. Inai Ezhuthukal means the letters which comes together. Inam means same family or group. So we will see what are those letters which always comes together. And before starting, let me say how this Inai Ezhuthukal is useful for us. Not only the beginners who are learning Tamil, but also the people who already know Tamil, no? They know to write or read or speak, even they also find it very difficult to use correct letters while writing. Why? Because we have three ins, that is moonu suri in, rendu suri in, and ind, and two il, and two ir, and one il. So, if we know about Inai Ezhuthukal, we will overcome these difficulties. Okay, let me step into the topic now. In Tamil, we have three types of மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள், that is Kasada Tapara Vallinam, Nyanjana Namana Mellinam, and Yarala Varala Idainam. So for the first two, we'll see the first two now, that is Vallinam and Mellinam. There are 6 letters in all these three. For the 6 letters for Vallinam, the corresponding 6 Mellinam letters are the Inai Ezhuthukal. Here, all the arrowed letters are Vallina Ezhuthukal, Ka, Sa, Da, Ta, Pa, Ra. And all the circled letters are Mellina Ezhuthukal, Nya, Nya, Na, Na, Ma, Na. So, I write all these letters in the order. Have you noticed? All the letters are comes together. Ka, Nga, Cha, Nya, Da, Na, Tha, Na, Pa, Ma, and Ra, Na. So, it is like a alphabetic order. So, for the Mellina Nga, Ing, Ka is the Inai Ezhuthu. That is, when you put ing, the following letter should be any one of the ka series. That is, it may be kaka, kiki, kuku, keke, kai, koko, cow. So, the ing letter should be followed by any one of the series, any one of the letter in the ka series. See the example, tangam, ing ka, pungottu, ing ko, tangai, ing kai, kurangu, ing ku. Sangeetham, ing, ki. So, all the followed letters of ing is from the ka series only. Similarly, for the Mellina inj, the following letter should be any one of the letter in the sa series. That is cha, cha, si, chi, chi, chu, chu, che, che, chai, cho, cho, chow. The examples, unjal, inj, cha, panj, inj, chu, kalanjiyam, inj, chi, manjal, inj, cha. So, the inj is followed by the cha series letters. And for the Mellina in, Munusuri in, the following letter should be from the ta series. That is tata, tt, tutu, tete, tai, toto, tau. Any one of the letters should come after Munusuri in. See the example, dandanai, surundu, vandi. In, da, in, do, in, di. Similarly, for the Mellina letter in the following letters should be from the tha series. Tata, titi, tutu, tete, tai, toto, tau. Pandu, pandal, sendal, surnd. Indutu, induta, induti, indutu. So, similarly for the Mellina letter im, the following letter should be from pa series. That is any one of the letter from pa series. Pambaram, sembu, sombi. Impi, imbu, impa. Right? And then for Mellina letter in, ra should be the, that is the Vallina ra should be the letter immediately following after it. Nandri, kandru, sendran. Inri, inru, inra. So almost these letters only come. There may be some exceptions. We can have other letters also, but mostly we can see these kinds of letters comes together. So for Nandri, re is the letter. So you should not put moonu suri in there. Why? Because before re only rendu suri in only come. So similarly you have to think and write what are the correct letters to put in the right place. We have a clear idea about Vallinam and Mellinam. Now we'll go for Idainam. Ya, ra, la, va, ra, la. For Idaina Ezhuthukal, the same ya, ra, la, va, ra, la is the Inai Ezhuthu. That is for ya. You have to put e. For e, that following letter should be any of the letter from Ya series only. Ya, E up to Yav. So example is Goya. And second is for Ra series, Ir should be followed by Ra, Ra, Ri, Ri, Ru, Ru up to Rao. So example is cherry. And for La, Il should be followed by La, La, Li, Li, Lulu up to Love. That is Vellam, Balli. And Va series, If followed by Vava, Vivi, Voo, Voo up to Wow. Example is Chevvoy. And Il, I don't find any example. For Il followed by La, La, Lili. So up to Love. So we have the example Velli and Palli. Okay, now we will see for the உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். The இன எழுத்துக்கள் for உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் is for every நெடில் எழுத்துக்கள், the corresponding கூறு lizards இன எழுத்து. That is for A is the இன எழுத்து. For E is the இன எழுத்து. U is the இன எழுத்து. A is the இன எழுத்து. I is the இன எழுத்து. O is the இன எழுத்து. And for U is the இன எழுத்து. There is no இன எழுத்து for ak. Hope this video is useful for you. To get more videos like this, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to share your friends. Bye.